everyone. How are you all? I'm sure you all are good and you all are great. In this video, I'm going to talk about a few risks that are associated with mid-cap and small-cap companies. So investing in mid-cap and small-cap companies offer potential for higher returns, but they also come with increased risk. Mid-cap and small-cap companies' stock prices are usually volatile as compared to large-cap companies. Besides volatility, investing in mid-cap and small-cap companies carries broadly three types of risk: macroeconomic, microeconomic, and company-specific risk. These risks can impact the stock price of these companies differently. So here's an overview of few risks associated with mid-cap and small-cap companies. So the very first category is macroeconomic risk. Geopolitical risk is a risk that refers to the political and leadership changes, also war-like situations, etc. A recent example is Russia-Ukraine war, which has resulted in recession in the whole of Europe and impacting the economy of rest of the countries globally. So geopolitical events can have a significant impact on the financial markets, global trade, and thus making it essential to monitor these risks. Yes, so interest rate and inflationary risk. Changes in global interest rates can affect the cost of borrowing for everyone. Rising interest rates can put pressure on mid-cap and small-cap companies, as they often have less ability to service debt compared to large-cap companies. Similarly, inflationary risk can affect mid-cap and small-cap companies in several ways. For example, abnormal rise in raw material prices can impact the profitability of a company. Currency risk. If a company operates in international markets, fluctuations in currency exchange rates can impact its revenue and profits. This risk can be more significant for smaller companies with limited hedging capabilities. So the next one in the category of macroeconomic risk is emergency risk. The biggest example is COVID-19 pandemic, which the whole world experienced, with the economy coming to a standstill for almost 3 quarters and hampered the world economy. Then comes global oil price and commodity price fluctuations. This can have a significant impact on mid-cap and small-cap companies, particularly those operating in industries that are directly or indirectly tied to oil and commodity sector. The second category of risk is the microeconomic risk, which is also a country-specific risk. This includes political instability of any country, inflation and interest rate sensitivity of any country, and sudden policy changes of a country can also have an economic impact on that particular company. The third and the most important category of risk is company-specific risk, which is associated with smaller companies. So corporate governance risk and promoter-related risks are most common in India when it comes to mid-cap and small-cap companies. Balance sheet risk. There are many classic examples of mid-cap and small-cap companies having a good P&L, profit and loss account, but a bad balance sheet, which investors should always try to study. Liquidity risk. Low trading volumes in small cap stocks can result in higher entry and exit loads. Lack of interest in small and mid cap companies by mutual funds. Another pointer is a poor decision making due to lack of resources. Low dividend payouts by small cap and mid cap companies. Also, future predictability of business growth is usually low with respect to small and mid-cap companies. Well, these were some of the risks associated with mid-cap and small-cap companies. So it would be in the interest of investors to consult a financial professional having an expertise to invest in mid-cap and small-cap companies. We at Seven Islands consider all the risk and manage funds for our clients. In the next episode, we will understand how to mitigate these risks from our fund manager, Mr. Hemant Shah. I hope you find this video informative. Kindly like and subscribe our channels for further updates on capital market. I will see you soon. Bye for now. Dear viewers, kindly note, this video is only for knowledge and information purpose. Thanks for watching.